Bengali Mutton Curry. A dish that's more than just a meal. It's not just food, it's a tradition, a way of life. It's like a big celebration of all sorts of yummy tastes. Each bite tells a story. It's a story about where we come from, the spices, the flavors. They all have a history. In Bengal, food and family, they go together like, best friends. Cooking is a family affair. This curry, it's part of that. It's slow cooked with love and care. We make it for parties and stuff, but also just for regular dinner with the family. It's versatile. It reminds us of home, like a warm hug. The aroma fills the house. When you smell it cooking, whoosh, it takes you back to being a kid. It's nostalgic. This curry, it's like a journey for your nose and your tongue. The spices dance in harmony. It's a little bit of Bengal, all in one yummy dish, a culinary masterpiece. It tells a story and it brings everyone together. It's more than food, it's a connection. What's in Bengali mutton curry? Good stuff, not too many things, but every single thing is important. We start with soft, yummy mutton. That's the star of the show. Then onions, ginger and garlic. They're like the secret helpers, making everything taste warm and cozy. And spices, turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. They smell amazing. Tomatoes make it a little sweet and tangy. And on top, fresh green coriander leaves, like a little burst of freshness. Altogether, it's like a beautiful song of flavors. Making Bengali mutton curry is like magic. It's a beautiful blend of tradition and flavor passed down through generations. You start with simple stuff and then, poof, it becomes something amazing. The transformation is almost like alchemy, turning basic ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. First, we soak the mutton in yogurt, ginger, garlic and spices. This step is crucial as it tenderizes the meat and infuses it with a depth of flavor. This lets all the yummy flavors soak in. The longer it marinates, the richer the taste. Then we heat up some oil. Sizzle, sizzle! The sound itself is so inviting, isn't it? We add the onions and cook them until they're golden brown. This step adds a sweet, caramelized flavor to the dish. Then the ginger garlic paste and green chilies. These add a spicy kick and aromatic depth. Next, the spices. Smell that. The blend of spices is what gives the curry its unique character. Now the mutton goes in. It starts to absorb all those wonderful flavors. We cook it until it's brown, finally tomatoes and water. The tomatoes add a tangy sweetness, while the water helps everything meld together. Then we let it all cook slowly until the mutton is super soft. This slow cooking process ensures that every bite is tender and bursting with flavor. And there you have it, a delicious Bengali mutton curry. When you make Bengali mutton curry, it's like a party for your senses. The kitchen comes alive. The oil goes sizzle, sizzle, like it's saying, come on in. The spoons clink against the pot, clink, clink, like a happy little song. The onions smell sweet and savory, and the ginger and garlic, whoosh, they smell so strong. The spices make the whole kitchen smell warm and cozy. And the curry bubbles away, making quiet little sounds like a lullaby. As it cooks, the smells get stronger and stronger. It's so exciting. Every family in Bengal has their own special way of making mutton curry. It's a dish that brings people together, a symbol of love and tradition passed down through generations. Some like it super spicy, some like it mild. The level of heat can vary greatly depending on personal preference and family tradition. Some put potatoes in, some put eggs. These additions can change the texture and flavor of the curry, making each version unique. Some people use mustard oil. This gives the curry a distinct sharp flavor that is quintessentially Bengali. My grandma, she used to add a little bit of sugar, just a pinch, she said, to balance the spices and bring out the richness of the meat. She said it made all the flavors sing. The aroma would fill the house, making everyone eager to gather around the table. I learned how to make it from her. Every step, every ingredient was a lesson in love and patience. Her recipe is like a precious secret. It's written down in an old, worn-out notebook, but the real magic is in the memories we created together. All these different ways they show how amazing Bengali food is. Each variation tells a story of the family that makes it, their tastes and their history. They tell the story of different families and what they like. Food is more than just sustenance, it's a connection to our roots and our loved ones. Every single way is special. Each recipe is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Bengal, a celebration of diversity and tradition. Bengali mutton curry, it's not just dinner. It's like a time machine. Every bite takes me back to when I was little. I remember big family parties with lots of laughing. I remember the smell of the curry in my grandma's kitchen. I remember how it tasted, so rich and yummy. I'll never forget that taste. It makes me feel safe and loved. This curry, it reminds me of family and happy times. It tastes like happiness. It tastes like home. Bengali mutton curry, it goes with everything. We eat it with rice. It's also super yummy with roti or naan bread. It's always there at weddings and festivals. It's a dish that brings everyone together like a big hug. It's a dish that makes every day feel like a celebration. Party or just a regular dinner, Bengali mutton curry is always special. It's part of who we are. It shows how much we love food. It tells our story. And we're so happy to share it with everyone.